The first word we are going to talk about is forecast. And you might hear this in English. A forecast is when a person tries to predict or guess what is going to happen with the weather. And guess what? They are wrong a lot of the time. And as the lesson goes on, I will have these little banners that will pop up at the bottom of the screen just to give you a little bit better of an idea about this term, and also a chance for you to practice shadowing to help with your English pronunciation. If you don't know what shadowing is, it is when the teacher, the native speaker, whoever is giving the lesson, reads a sentence and you try to say the sentence along with that speaker, or you repeat it. So here's our first one. The forecast is what people think will happen with the weather. It's a prediction. It's a guess. Like I said, they are wrong often. They are often wrong. Yulia, yes, it is the Wizard of Oz, the movie with the house. Yes, the Wizard of Oz. Very nice, Yulia. So you had to know a little bit about American culture. Yes. Impulse Imp is here. What's going on? It's the Wizard of Oz. And the other one, wait, Freddie says, the cow was roasted by the lightning. Hey, no cows were hurt during the making of that thumbnail. No cows were hurt. The cow lands safely on the ground. The tornado just picks the cow up for a minute, but no cows were hurt. I promise. No cows were hurt. The other one, I'll wait. Okay, got it. I didn't think anybody would get it. But yeah, there was a movie. Nice job, man. There was a movie that came out in the United States, I think in the 1990s or the early 2000s, and it was Twister. It's called Twister. Yeah, a cow gets picked up. Hopefully the cow lands safely in that movie. I don't know about that movie, but in my thumbnail, the cow is safe. I promise. The cow is safe. All right, the next one here, after we get through with forecast, it's a tough one, but it's meteorologist. I will say that a couple times, and I have a sentence you can practice pronouncing English with here. Meteorologist. Meteorologist. Sometimes you will hear weatherman, even though not all meteorologists are men, but weatherman is a very common term to hear, but also meteorologist. Let's do the sentence. Meteorologists study weather. With their forecast, they predict what the weather will be like. Yeah, and like I said, they often get it wrong. Wait, one last thing I want to talk about with forecast and meteorologists. Hard to put it in the plural. Meteorologists. Gotta hit that S at the end. Meteorologist, meteorologists. It's a good idea to check the forecast before stepping out the door for work. So there's a phrasal verb in there, to step out. It's a good idea to check the forecast before stepping out the door for work. Hope that helps.